Unlock muscle gains with whey protein benefits. Are you ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? Discover the incredible health benefits of whey protein. Whey protein is your secret weapon for gaining muscle and increasing protein intake, making you healthier and stronger. Packed with essential amino acids, whey protein can help you recover faster after intense workouts, ensuring you make more gains at the gym. Not only does whey protein support muscle growth, but it also boosts your immune system, keeping you in top form, inside and out. Incorporating whey protein into your diet is simple. Mix it in shakes, smoothies, or even bake it into healthy treats. Studies show that whey protein helps in weight management by curbing your appetite and increasing feelings of fullness. Our weekly updates dive into the latest science, ensuring you're always in the know about the best ways to use whey protein effectively. Stay tuned every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for expert tips, product reviews, and transformative health hacks. Subscribe now and begin your journey to a stronger, healthier you with the power of whey protein.